We start landing.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's windy. Okay, we saw an airplane over there. Let's go slowly. And we're gonna check, guys. Camera a little bit down. 43 feet. .83 feet. I can see it. Let's give you like, this is 800 feet. I give you like 360. That's why you see. Okay, this is a good view. Let's go up. Actually 150 feet. This is 200 feet. Let's try. That's how it look. It's a nice view. $229. I start losing my signal. Okay, my signal come back. Let's try again. Let's put my antenna like 90 degree. It was a 250, I think, stop, yeah? Let's check the view how it look like this. This is 254, guys. 254 signal. I start losing my 156. It was like 250. I start losing my signal. Let's try to push. Yes. Yes, I'm Moroccan. مرحبا لاباس؟ عجبتك؟ Let's put it down a little bit. Yeah.
It's so high.
It's so nice to see from it. Okay, let's put it. We take it over there a little bit.
Okay.
You can check. Let's take it over there. Let's go. We're driving.
It's so big.
Yeah, this look nice.
So many
Let's
feet,
fix it.
74 feet high.
Yes, let's fix the camera a little bit.
Wait, can I try? Holding it?
Let me. I can't give it to you now
Okay.
because in the sky I have to control it.
Okay.
Let's put it a little bit up and let's check.
Can you take pictures?
Yeah, I can take picture
Can you show me?
from here.
Okay, press it.
Let's take picture.
Okay.
Let's.
Can you go like around the whole area?
I'm so far now.
How far? Let me see.
No.
Oh, see. You're not that far. It's close a little bit here. You're very.
Yeah, but we don't have to cross. Like if there is car or something, we have to be careful.
Okay.
Let's try to take it. We pushed a little bit. Let's go now. We have 600 feet, 700 feet. Let's put it a little bit up. We don't want any losing signal.
Can I see?
Yeah, you can see. Oh, we are so far now.
Wait, put it back. I don't want it to like.
It's 1,000 feet. Oh my God, it goes so high far now.
Wait, can I hold it?
1 second. Wow, look how nice picture. Let me take picture.
Yeah.
It's look nice.
Wait, put it back here because.
I'm gonna bring it back.
Okay.
I'm still having my battery now. 75% is good. Guys, almost 1,600.
1,600 what?
Yes.
1,000
Feet.
feet. Oh my god.
The last time I was 1,750.
كبير. No signal. شوف.
Let's put it to 2,000. I start losing my signal. Let's come back. You see? Have to wait. We have to wait. Look what's gonna happen. We're gonna lose it. What do you think?
No.
I don't wanna lose it.
Me either.
Oh my god, because it's wind, guys, we start losing connection.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Is it gonna land on us?
Let's stop it here. No,
Wait,
we're gonna
Wait, look down. I'm gonna say hi to it.
we're gonna cancel it. We're gonna stop it here. Stop here. That's good. Oh my god.
Wait, wait. Go down because I want to say hi to the Joan. Wait, go down.
Okay, I think it's here.
Hi.
Hey guys, we have a new friend here. Let's bring it now.
Hi.
It's gonna come to us here.
Cool.
Okay, you are here.
Hi.
Hey! We have a new friend here.
Wait, can I use it when you
I can, because that one you have to be like over 16 years. But you can watch with me.
Okay.
That was nice.
Wait, can you put it here?
Oh yeah.
Can I touch it?
No, yeah, because be careful. We have to bring it down like this.
Look at the wind.
You see?
Landing.
Oh.
Can I take it now?
Yeah, you can.